The Amazon rainforest, millions of years old, a vast emerald ocean stretching across South America. It is a living testament to nature's power, a place of wonder and beauty, a vital organ for our planet. The Amazon is the largest rainforest on Earth. It is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a tenth of the world's known species. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest, flows for over 4,000 miles. It teems with unique and fascinating creatures. The rainforest is a sensory symphony. The air is thick with humidity. The sounds of insects and birds fill the air. The scent of damp earth and exotic flowers hangs heavy. The Amazon is a world unlike any other. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide. This greenhouse gas contributes to global warming. The rainforest acts as a massive carbon sink. It stores carbon in its trees and soil. Deforestation has severe consequences. Trees are felled for timber, agriculture, and mining. When trees are cut down, stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere. This accelerates climate change. It disrupts the delicate balance of our planet. Protecting the Amazon is not just an environmental issue. It is a global imperative. It is essential for mitigating climate change. It is our responsibility to safeguard this vital ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to a staggering array of life, from jaguars prowling the forest floor to macaws soaring through the canopy. Each species is interconnected. The rainforest is a complex web of life. Plants and animals depend on each other for survival. Insects pollinate flowers, birds disperse seeds, predators keep prey populations in check. This intricate balance is what makes the rainforest so resilient. Scientists are constantly discovering new species in the Amazon. There are still many secrets hidden within its depths. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a vital role. High above the forest floor live the acrobatic spider monkeys. Their long limbs and prehensile tails allow them to navigate the canopy with ease. They swing from branch to branch. They are a sight to behold. Spider monkeys are highly social animals. They live in groups called troops. These troops can number in the dozens. They spend their days foraging for fruit, leaves, and insects. They communicate with each other through a series of calls and vocalizations. Spider monkeys play an important role in seed dispersal. As they move through the forest, they deposit seeds in their droppings. This helps to regenerate the rainforest. Section 5, Nature's Architects, leafcutter ants. On the forest floor, a different kind of society thrives. Leafcutter ants are master architects and farmers. They create vast underground colonies which are connected by intricate tunnels. Leafcutter ants don't actually eat leaves. Instead, they use them to cultivate a fungus. This fungus is their primary food source. The ants work tirelessly, cutting and transporting leaves to their underground gardens. Leafcutter ant colonies are highly organized. Each ant has a specific role to play. There are workers, soldiers, and even a queen. The queen is responsible for laying eggs. The colony relies on her for its survival. Section 6. The Symphony of the Rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is alive with sound. The calls of howler monkeys echo through the trees. The buzzing of insects fills the air. The rustling of leaves signals the movement of unseen creatures. At dawn, the rainforest awakens. Birds greet the day with a chorus of song. Insects begin their daily routines. The forest comes alive with activity. As dusk settles, the rainforest transforms. Nocturnal creatures emerge from their daytime hiding places. The sounds of the rainforest change. The symphony continues. Section 7. Scars on the Emerald Canvas. The Amazon rainforest faces numerous threats. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, is leaving its mark. Vast areas of rainforest are being cleared. This destruction has devastating consequences. Illegal activities, such as poaching and mining, also threaten the rainforest's delicate balance. Poachers hunt endangered animals for their valuable parts. Illegal miners use mercury, contaminating rivers and harming wildlife. The consequences of inaction are dire: loss of biodiversity, climate change, and the displacement of indigenous communities. We must act now to protect this irreplaceable ecosystem. Section 8. A Future Intertwined. The fate of the Amazon rainforest is intertwined with our own. The rainforest provides us with essential services. It regulates our climate, purifies our air and water, and provides us with food and medicine. Indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. They hold invaluable knowledge about its plants, animals, and ecosystems. Their voices must be heard in the fight to protect the Amazon. We must support sustainable practices that benefit both people and the planet. Sustainable agriculture, responsible forestry, and ecotourism can provide livelihoods while protecting the rainforest. Section 9. Guardians of the Amazon. The future of the Amazon rainforest depends on us. We must become guardians of this invaluable ecosystem. We can all make a difference. We can reduce our impact on the rainforest by consuming responsibly. We can choose products from companies committed to sustainability. We can support organizations working to protect the Amazon. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of the rainforest. We can use our voices to advocate for its protection. Together, we can ensure that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive for generations to come. Section 10. The Healing Green. The Amazon rainforest is not just a sanctuary for wildlife and a vital carbon sink. It is also a vast living pharmacy. Hidden within its dense foliage are countless medicinal plants with the power to heal and transform lives. From the bark of the cinchona tree, which gave us quinine to combat malaria, to the rosy periwinkle, a source of compounds used in cancer treatment, the Amazon's botanical treasures have already revolutionized modern medicine. Indigenous communities, with their profound knowledge of these plants, have utilized them for centuries to treat a myriad of ailments. Yet, many plants remain undiscovered, their secrets untapped. Each leaf, root, and flower holds potential remedies for diseases we have yet to cure. But as deforestation advances, we risk losing these invaluable resources forever. By protecting the Amazon, we safeguard not just its rich biodiversity, but also the potential cures that lie within its borders. Supporting sustainable practices and conservation efforts is crucial in preserving this natural pharmacy for future generations. Let us recognize the Amazon's immense contribution to global health and take action to ensure its preservation. In doing so, we honor the wisdom of the indigenous peoples and the promise of a healthier world. The Amazon rainforest, a sprawling green expanse, is home to an astounding variety of bird species, each adding a vibrant splash of color and a unique melody to the symphony of life here. From the iconic toucan with its oversized rainbow-hued beak to the elusive harpy eagle, one of the most powerful birds of prey on the planet, the avian inhabitants of the Amazon are as diverse as they are fascinating. The canopy is alive with activity, where macaws in dazzling shades of blue, red, and yellow soar gracefully, their calls echoing through the trees. These social birds form lifelong bonds, showcasing an intricate dance of companionship and communication. Below, in the understory, the secretive Hoatzin, often called the stink bird for its distinctive odor, clambers clumsily through the foliage. Its prehistoric appearance, a living testament to the deep evolutionary history of this region. Each species has carved out a niche, adapting to the myriad microhabitats within the rainforest. The iridescent plumage of hummingbirds flickers like tiny jewels as they hover, feeding on nectar and playing a crucial role in pollination. The forest floor is patrolled by ground-dwelling birds, like the shy tinamou, whose haunting calls create an eerie yet beautiful soundscape. But the Amazon's avian wonders are not just a feast for the eyes and ears. They play vital roles in the ecosystem, from controlling insect populations to dispersing seeds, ensuring the continuous regeneration of the forest. Their presence is a barometer of the health of this complex environment. As we marvel at the beauty and diversity of Amazonian birds, we must also recognize the threats they face. Habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade are pushing many species to the brink. By protecting their habitats, we not only preserve these magnificent creatures, but also the intricate web of life that depends on them. The birds of the Amazon are more than just inhabitants, they are the lifeblood of this vibrant ecosystem. Let us celebrate their splendor and commit to safeguarding their future, ensuring that their songs continue to resonate through the heart of the rainforest. As we journey deeper into the Amazon, we must turn our attention to the true keepers of this vast verdant realm, the indigenous tribes. These communities, with their rich tapestry of cultures and traditions, have lived in harmony with the rainforest for millennia. They are the custodians of ancient wisdom passed down through countless generations that speaks to a profound understanding of the natural world. The Amazon is home to over 400 distinct indigenous groups, each with its own language, customs, and spiritual beliefs. For these tribes, the rainforest is not just a place to live, it is a sacred entity, a source of life and a spiritual haven. Their intimate knowledge of the flora and fauna is unparalleled, with countless plant species used for medicinal purposes, rituals, and sustenance. The Yanomami, one of the largest and most well-known tribes, inhabit the remote regions of Brazil and Venezuela. They practice a form of shifting agriculture, moving their villages every few years to allow the forest to regenerate. Their deep spiritual connection to the land is evident in their rituals and ceremonies, which honor the spirits of the forest and seek to maintain balance and harmony. In the western Amazon, the Aqua people of Ecuador and Peru are renowned for their intricate knowledge of medicinal plants. Their shamanic practices involve the use of ayahuasca, a powerful hallucinogenic brew, to gain insights and heal both physical and spiritual ailments. For the Aqua, the rainforest is a living, breathing entity, and they see themselves as its guardians, entrusted with the duty to protect and preserve it. The relationship between these tribes and the rainforest is symbiotic. They rely on the forest for their livelihood, and in return, they ensure its preservation through sustainable practices. Hunting, fishing, and gathering are done in ways that do not deplete resources, and their agricultural methods promote biodiversity. However, the way of life of these indigenous communities is under threat. Deforestation, mining, and oil extraction encroach upon their territories, disrupting their traditional practices and endangering their very existence. The loss of indigenous lands is not just a tragedy for these communities, but for the entire planet, as their knowledge and sustainable practices are invaluable in the fight against climate change. By supporting the rights of indigenous peoples and recognizing their vital role in the stewardship of the Amazon, we take a crucial step toward preserving this irreplaceable ecosystem. Their voices, often marginalized, must be heard and their wisdom respected. The indigenous tribes of the Amazon are more than just inhabitants of the forest. They are its heart and soul. Their resilience, knowledge, and deep connection to the land offer lessons for us all. Let us honor their legacy and join them in the fight to protect the Amazon, ensuring that their cultures and the rainforest they cherish continue to thrive for generations to come. As we delve even further into the heart of the Amazon, we encounter the mighty artery that courses through this verdant expanse, the Amazon River. This colossal waterway, stretching over 4,000 miles, is the lifeblood of the rainforest, nurturing the ecosystems and the myriad forms of life that call it home. The Amazon River is more than just a geographical feature. It is a force of nature, a dynamic and ever-changing entity that shapes the landscape around it. Its waters provide a vital source of sustenance for the rainforest's inhabitants, both human and animal alike. Fish, the primary food source for many indigenous tribes, abound in its depths. Species such as the piranha, the arapaima, and the electric eel are just a few of the remarkable creatures that thrive in these waters. But the river's significance extends far beyond its role as a source of food. It is a crucial component of the rainforest's hydrological cycle, replenishing the soil with nutrients and sustaining the lush vegetation that defines this region. The annual flooding of the Amazon River creates vast floodplains known as várzea, which are home to unique plant and animal species adapted to this seasonal inundation. These floodplains are teeming with life, from the pink river dolphins that glide gracefully through the water to the countless bird species that flock to the nutrient-rich areas. The Amazon River also serves as a critical transportation route for the people who live along its banks. Indigenous communities and settlers alike rely on the river for travel, trade, and communication, navigating its winding channels in traditional canoes and modern boats. The river's vast network of tributaries connects remote villages with larger towns and cities, fostering a sense of interconnectedness in this expansive and often isolated region. However, the Amazon River, like the rainforest it sustains, faces numerous threats. Climate change, deforestation and pollution pose significant challenges to the health of this vital waterway. Changes in precipitation patterns and rising temperatures can alter the delicate balance of the river's ecosystem, affecting the species that depend on it. Additionally, industrial activities such as mining and agriculture introduce pollutants into the water, endangering both wildlife and human populations. Protecting the Amazon River is essential for the preservation of the rainforest as a whole. Efforts to reduce deforestation, promote sustainable land use practices, and mitigate climate change are crucial steps in safeguarding this irreplaceable resource. By recognizing the river's importance and taking action to protect it, we can ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive, providing life and sustenance for generations to come. The Amazon River is more than just a body of water. It is the heartbeat of the rainforest, a testament to the resilience and interconnectedness of nature. As we marvel at its grandeur and the life it supports, let us remember our responsibility to protect this vital artery of the Amazon, ensuring its continued flow and the flourishing of the ecosystems it nurtures. As we journey deeper into the Amazon, we cannot ignore the shadows that loom over this majestic rainforest. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, is under siege from a multitude of threats that jeopardize its very existence. Chief among these threats is deforestation. Every year, vast swathes of the Amazon are cleared for agriculture, logging, and mining. This relentless deforestation not only strips the land of its rich biodiversity, but also disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Trees, which play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, are being felled at an alarming rate, contributing to global climate change. Climate change itself poses a significant threat to the Amazon. Rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns can lead to more frequent and severe droughts, increasing the risk of forest fires. These fires, often exacerbated by human activities, can devastate large areas of the rainforest, leaving scars that take decades, if not centuries, to heal. The loss of trees and vegetation further accelerates climate change, creating a vicious cycle that threatens the very fabric of the rainforest. Pollution from industrial activities such as mining and agriculture also poses a grave threat. Toxic chemicals and waste products seep into the soil and waterways, contaminating the environment and harming both wildlife and human populations. The delicate balance of the Amazon's ecosystems is disrupted, leading to the decline of species and the degradation of habitats. The impacts of these threats are far-reaching. Indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for generations are often displaced and their traditional ways of life disrupted. The loss of biodiversity means the extinction of species that may hold the key to medical and scientific discoveries. The Amazon's role as a global climate regulator is compromised, affecting weather patterns and ecosystems far beyond its borders. But amidst these challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts, sustainable land use practices, and reforestation projects are being implemented to protect and restore the Amazon. Indigenous communities, scientists, and environmental organizations are working tirelessly to safeguard this irreplaceable treasure. By raising awareness and taking collective action, we can turn the tide and ensure the survival of the Amazon for future generations. The Amazon rainforest is a testament to the resilience and interconnectedness of nature. As stewards of this planet, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve this vital ecosystem. Let us stand together to defend the Amazon, ensuring that its vibrant tapestry of life continues to thrive for generations to come. In the face of overwhelming threats, the Amazon rainforest story is not solely one of despair. It is also a tale of resilience, hope, and unwavering dedication by those who strive to protect it. Across this vast emerald expanse, a multitude of conservation efforts are planting the seeds of a brighter future. One of the most impactful initiatives is reforestation. Local communities and international organizations alike are joining hands to replant native trees in deforested areas. These reforestation projects aim to restore the natural habitats that countless species depend on, ensuring the survival of the Amazon's rich biodiversity. By carefully selecting native species, these efforts help revive ecosystems, sequester carbon, and stabilize the climate. Indigenous communities, the original stewards of the Amazon, play a pivotal role in conservation. Their deep knowledge of the land and sustainable practices have safeguarded the rainforest for generations. Empowering these communities with legal rights to their ancestral lands is crucial. This not only helps preserve their cultures, but also ensures the continued protection of vast tracts of rainforest. Innovative technology is also making a difference. Satellite imagery and drones are being used to monitor deforestation and illegal activities in real time. This allows for swift action against illegal logging and mining operations. Additionally, scientists are harnessing the power of data to better understand the complex dynamics of the rainforest, guiding more effective conservation strategies. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial in the fight to save the Amazon. By raising global consciousness about the importance of the rainforest, these campaigns inspire individuals and governments to take action. From reducing meat consumption, which drives deforestation for cattle ranching, to supporting sustainable products, every choice can contribute to the Amazon's preservation. Conservation organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, Greenpeace and the Rainforest Alliance are on the front lines, advocating for stronger environmental policies and supporting on-the-ground projects. Their tireless efforts are creating protected areas, promoting sustainable land use practices, and fostering partnerships with local communities. Despite the daunting challenges, there is a growing movement to protect and restore the Amazon. It is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for compassion and action. By supporting these conservation efforts, we are not just saving a rainforest, we are preserving a legacy for future generations and a lifeline for our planet. As the Amazon faces its greatest threats, it is also witnessing the rise of its greatest defenders. Together we can nurture these seeds of hope, ensuring that the heartbeat of the Amazon continues to pulse with life, beauty and resilience. In the intricate web of life that is the Amazon rainforest, some of the most crucial and fascinating players are often the smallest. Welcome to the world of the Amazon's unique insects, the tiny titans that play indispensable roles in maintaining the balance of this vibrant ecosystem. Insects are the unsung heroes of the rainforest. They pollinate the flowers, ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species. Without these tireless workers, the lush greenery of the Amazon would not thrive as it does. Among them, the Amazonian orchid bee is a standout. With its iridescent metallic colors, it not only adds a splash of beauty to the forest, but also plays a vital role in pollinating the orchids that depend on its unique method of collecting floral scents. But pollination is just the beginning. Insects like the dung beetle are nature's recyclers. They break down waste, returning valuable nutrients to the soil and promoting new plant growth. This process is essential for the health of the rainforest, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Predatory insects, such as the fearsome bullet ant, help keep the balance by controlling the populations of other insects. The bullet ant's sting is infamous, often described as the most painful in the world, but this tiny warrior plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate equilibrium of the rainforest ecosystem. Equally fascinating are the leaf-mimicking insects, like the Amazonian katydid. These masters of disguise blend seamlessly with their surroundings, evading predators and showcasing the marvels of evolution. Their ability to mimic leaves not only protects them, but also contributes to the rainforest biodiversity by providing a unique niche in the food web. The Amazon is also home to some of the most bizarre and intriguing insects on the planet. Take the glass-winged butterfly, whose transparent wings make it nearly invisible in flight, or the Hercules beetle, one of the largest beetles in the world, known for its incredible strength and impressive horns. Insects are not just inhabitants of the Amazon, they are its architects. Their burrowing, feeding and nesting activities shape the physical landscape of the rainforest. Termites, for example, build massive mounds that can alter the flow of water and nutrients in the soil, creating microhabitats for other species. The Amazon's insects are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life in the rainforest. They remind us that even the smallest creatures have a significant impact on the world around them. As we strive to protect the Amazon, we must also remember to safeguard these tiny titans and the crucial roles they play. In the grand tapestry of the Amazon, insects are the threads that hold everything together. By appreciating and understanding their contributions, we gain a deeper insight into the resilience and beauty of the rainforest. The story of the Amazon is incomplete without the tales of these tiny titans, whose presence is a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of life on our planet. Amidst the dense foliage and towering trees of the Amazon rainforest, another group of remarkable creatures thrives, the amphibians and reptiles. These hidden gems of the Amazon are masters of adaptation, showcasing an incredible array of diversity and survival strategies. Amphibians, such as the vibrant poison dart frogs, are among the most striking inhabitants of the rainforest. Their brilliant colors serve as a warning to potential predators about their toxic skin, a defense mechanism that has evolved over millennia. These tiny marvels play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The Amazon is also home to a myriad of reptiles, each uniquely adapted to its environment. The emerald tree boa, with its vivid green scales and prehensile tail, is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly with the lush canopy as it lies in wait for unsuspecting prey. Its ability to sense heat through specialized pits near its mouth makes it an efficient nocturnal hunter. Equally fascinating is the spectacled caiman, a formidable predator that inhabits the waterways of the Amazon. With its powerful jaws and keen senses, the caiman is a top predator, helping to regulate the populations of fish and other aquatic creatures. Its presence is vital for maintaining the health of the river ecosystems. Among the amphibians, the glass frog stands out with its translucent skin, offering a glimpse into its internal organs. This unique adaptation not only makes it a marvel of nature, but also aids in its camouflage, allowing it to evade predators in the dense underbrush. The Amazon's reptiles also include the awe-inspiring anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world. This giant serpent is an apex predator, capable of taking down prey much larger than itself. Its ability to constrict and subdue its prey is a testament to its evolutionary prowess. Amphibians like the red-eyed tree frog showcase incredible adaptations for survival. Their bright red eyes startle predators, giving them a split second to escape. Their sticky toe pads allow them to cling to leaves and branches, navigating the treacherous terrain of the rainforest with ease. Reptiles such as the Jesus lizard or basilisk have evolved unique adaptations to thrive in their environment. This remarkable lizard can run across the surface of water, a feat that has earned it its biblical nickname. Its ability to escape predators by dashing across streams and rivers is a perfect example of the ingenuity of nature. The Amazon's amphibians and reptiles are not just survivors, they are vital components of the rainforest's intricate web of life. Their presence ensures the continued health and diversity of this unique ecosystem. As we strive to protect the Amazon, it is essential to recognize and preserve the habitats of these hidden gems, whose adaptations and diversity are a testament to the wonders of evolution. In the vast and vibrant tapestry of the Amazon, amphibians and reptiles are the intricate patterns that add depth and complexity. By understanding and appreciating their roles, we gain a deeper insight into the resilience and beauty of the rainforest. The story of the Amazon is incomplete without the tales of these hidden gems, whose presence is a testament to the interconnected nature of life on our planet. The Amazon rainforest is not just a sanctuary for countless species. It is a vital organ of our planet, playing an indispensable role in regulating the global climate. This immense tropical forest acts as a giant carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing oxygen in return. Through the process of photosynthesis, the Amazon's trees and plants draw in carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. This carbon sequestration is crucial in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. The Amazon's ability to store carbon makes it a powerful ally in the fight against global warming. Moreover, the Amazon rainforest influences weather patterns not just locally but globally. The vast expanse of greenery contributes to the formation of rain clouds through a process known as transpiration. As the rainforest trees release water vapor into the air, it condenses to form clouds, leading to rainfall. This cycle of water vapor release and precipitation helps to sustain the Amazon's lush environment and contributes to the global water cycle. The Amazon's impact on weather patterns extends beyond South America. The moisture generated by the rainforest can travel thousands of miles, influencing rainfall in distant regions. This interconnectedness highlights the Amazon's importance as a stabilizing force in global weather systems. However, the Amazon's ability to regulate the climate is under threat. Deforestation, fires, and climate change are disrupting this delicate balance. As trees are cut down and the forest is degraded, its capacity to absorb carbon and generate moisture diminishes. This not only accelerates global warming but also alters weather patterns, leading to more extreme weather events. The Amazon's role in regulating the global climate is a testament to its significance as a keystone ecosystem. Protecting this vital rainforest is not just about preserving biodiversity, it is about safeguarding the health of our planet. The future of the Amazon and the stability of our climate are intricately linked, making conservation efforts more crucial than ever. In the grand symphony of Earth's natural systems, the Amazon rainforest is a conductor, orchestrating the harmony of climate and weather. By understanding and valuing its role, we can take meaningful steps to ensure its preservation for the benefit of all life on Earth. The Amazon rainforest stands at a crossroads, facing a future that is as uncertain as it is critical. What lies ahead for this verdant expanse depends largely on the actions we take today. In one scenario, if deforestation continues unchecked and climate change accelerates, the Amazon could reach a tipping point. This would result in a cascade of ecological collapses, transforming the lush rainforest into a dry, savanna-like landscape. Such a transformation would not only spell disaster for countless species, but would also exacerbate global warming and disrupt weather patterns worldwide. However, there is another path, a path where sustainable practices and concerted conservation efforts can lead to a brighter future for the Amazon. This vision of the future hinges on our ability to implement and support sustainable agriculture, responsible forestry, and effective land management. By promoting agroforestry, a method that integrates trees and shrubs into crop and livestock systems, we can create a balance between human needs and ecological health. This approach not only preserves biodiversity but also enhances soil quality and sequesters carbon. Indigenous communities, the original stewards of the Amazon, play a pivotal role in this sustainable future. Their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices offer valuable insights into managing the rainforest's resources without depleting them. By empowering these communities and respecting their land rights, we can foster a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Technological advancements also offer promising solutions. Satellite monitoring and data analytics can help track deforestation in real time, enabling quicker responses to illegal logging and land encroachment. Renewable energy projects such as solar and wind farms can provide sustainable livelihoods for local communities, reducing the pressure to clear land for agriculture. International cooperation is equally crucial. Global initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions along with financial incentives for conservation can help protect the Amazon. The establishment of protected areas and ecological corridors can ensure that wildlife has the space to thrive and migrate, maintaining the ecological balance. The future of the Amazon rainforest is not set in stone. It is a future that we have the power to shape through our choices and actions. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering a global commitment to conservation, we can ensure that the Amazon continues to be a vibrant, life-sustaining force for generations to come. In this unfolding story, every action counts. The Amazon's tomorrow is a reflection of our collective will to protect and cherish one of Earth's most precious treasures. Let us choose a future where the Amazon flourishes for the sake of our planet and all who call it home. As we journey through the depths of the Amazon rainforest, we are reminded of its unparalleled wonders and the vital role it plays in our world. This ancient, verdant kingdom is more than just a forest. It is a living, breathing testament to Earth's biodiversity, a sanctuary for countless species, and a source of immeasurable beauty and inspiration. From the majestic canopy that stretches towards the heavens to the intricate web of life that thrives beneath its shadows, the Amazon is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. It is home to extraordinary creatures like the elusive jaguar, the vibrant harpy eagle, and the playful river dolphins. It is a realm where spider monkeys swing gracefully through the treetops and leafcutter ants march with unwavering determination. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The Amazon is not just a haven for wildlife, it is also a lifeline for humanity. It regulates our climate, produces oxygen, and stores vast amounts of carbon, helping to mitigate the effects of global warming. Its rivers, teeming with life, provide water and sustenance to millions of people. The indigenous communities, the guardians of this ancient land, hold profound knowledge and wisdom that have been passed down through generations, offering us invaluable insights into sustainable living. Yet, despite its grandeur and significance, the Amazon faces unprecedented threats. Deforestation, climate change, and unsustainable practices pose a grave danger to this natural treasure. The scars on its emerald canvas are a stark reminder of the urgent need for action. Preserving the Amazon is not just a regional responsibility, it is a global imperative. The future of this rainforest is intertwined with the future of our planet. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation efforts, and fostering international cooperation, we can ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive. In this moment, we stand at a pivotal crossroads. We have the power to shape the destiny of the Amazon and, in doing so, safeguard the well-being of our planet for generations to come. Let us choose a future where the Amazon's wonders remain intact, where its heartbeat continues to echo through the ages, and where the symphony of life within its bounds remains undisturbed. The Amazon is a treasure worth protecting, a legacy we must honor and a responsibility we must uphold. Together, let us commit to preserving this irreplaceable jewel of nature, for it is a gift to all of humanity and a beacon of hope for the future.